Hello guys, Axto here, and welcome to binary search. This is what the module will look like. You'll have the number 50 in the box here, as you can see, is on all of them. And we have a target number to the side here. And the aim of the module is pretty simple. We have to press these left and right arrows to get this number to this number using a sort of binary search algorithm. The first press will add or subtract 25 because the left and right buttons respectively will subtract and add n to the number on the screen. This goes 25, 13, 7, 4, 2, 1. And then the middle button is the submit button, which you press when both your numbers are equal. I'll do this in a calculation sense, and then some of you have already seen what the easy method for this is going to be. But let's do it the mathematical method first. So let's take this 96. We get that from 50. So we need to add 25. That will give us 75. We can add 13. That will give us 88. We can add 7. That will give us 95. Now you might be asking, what's the best thing to do here? Because adding 4 would take us too far, but subtracting it might take us too far away. Let's try adding it first, and then you'll see why that was the only option we had in a second. We add 4, we get to 99. Then we can subtract 2, 97, and then subtract 1, we get to 96. So that would be 1, 2. We get self-module. However, we didn't even have to do this adding up. There's a much simpler way to get to this answer. It makes this a very quick mod. And it's simply, if your current number is smaller than the given number, press right. If it's bigger, press left. So in this case, smaller, smaller, bigger, bigger, smaller, bigger. Now you get 78. Bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, smaller, bigger, submit. And notice just note that you don't have to use all of these. If you get there quick enough, you can submit early, and you can actually have it so it rolls and gives you 50, which means you just have to press the submit button. So bigger, smaller, bigger, bigger, answer. And this is going to be an interesting one. Bigger, 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 big, smaller, bigger, smaller. And an exact answer. So this is a very simple mod, as you've seen. Binary search, you technically don't have to even do the addition and subtraction for this. You just have to consider whether the number is bigger or smaller than what you want, and then press the corresponding direction. This will, if I'm correct in saying, will always work. But of course, if you think about it, each of these can be either bigger or smaller. Bigger or smaller or 0. But you have to go in order. So I'm pretty sure not every number can appear. I'm pretty sure some numbers can't appear just because they can't be reached from this adding and subtracting. So just note that as well. So that is binary search, very simple module. Hopefully you understand it now and understand the quick method. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.